Bruno's just patiently waiting. I think he got it stuck, yep. Let's see if he can get that out. Oh man. What's up guys? Welcome back to DannyTV and welcome back to another Ram 2500 episode. So today we're gonna continue working on the bed, and in the previous episode, we pretty much got the damaged skin off, and now the donor skin's all set up and ready to go. Spot welds cleaned up, so we are pretty much good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and dial in the welder and start tacking this sucker on. While I'm working on the bed, my brother is gonna go ahead and get the front end back together on the Chevy truck. All right guys, so we got a good start on the welding and everything is going pretty smooth so far. My brother also got the fenders in the hood on his truck, but for now we're gonna take a quick spin on the jet ski, go out there, hit some waves. What's up, guys? Next day here, and we got the Chevy truck about 90% complete. We are still gonna have to paint the little trim piece or filler cap that runs right above the bumper. Not a big deal. And we're gonna be replacing these headlights. These are some cheap aftermarket ones, and they do tend to fog up. For now, let's get back in the garage and pick up where we left off on the ram bed. Before I do apply my final layer of glazing, I am going to jump on a 320 and sand the entire bed just to make sure we don't have any damages like this right here. Going on this side. So this lower corner was kind of pushed in and there was a crease right over here. So we just used a hydraulic pump or jack, whatever you want to call it, and pushed all this out. Took care of these damages on this side. Now the bed's nice and clean. Let's mix up some primer and slick it in, boys. It laid down really nice and smooth. It covered up all the imperfections. Check that out. This side turned out great as well. It sucks I couldn't get the bed primered in last night. I ran out of primer and the store was already closed. So what I'm gonna do is let the bed dry for about 24 hours. I don't wanna rush it and have a chemical reaction. Those are never fun. So we're not gonna be able to seal or paint the bed in this episode, but it's all right. Let's go ahead and jump on this tailgate. Quick tip here, guys, some know, some don't. Not to cause any damage to your emblem or the surface, use a little bit of heat and then just some fishing line will slice right through it so you're not having to pry on any of this. I'm probably not gonna be using this emblem anyways. I kinda wanna get the bigger Ram lettering on the back. For now, let's flip it over and keep moving. All right, guys, so we got the tailgate gutted, and now I'm gonna hop back on the DA and give everything a second pass so that we can get this ready for sealer. And right here, if we do decide to go with the ram lettering, we're just gonna weld these holes up and then build a little plate right here where this indention is, and then filler will make it nice and smooth. And if any of you watching know if the ram letters have these little guide points or holes, or if they're just held on with 3M, let me know that down in the comments. Guys, that's a wrap for this episode. We made some good progress on the bed, and I can't wait to get it painted. And then all we'll have left is like the fenders and the hood. So the truck is finally coming together and we can almost see the finished product. I can't wait for that. With this said, it is like 90 today, so I'm just gonna go hit the lake on my ski, catch some more vitamin C, and take a dip. So with all this said, thanks guys for all the love and support. If you are new on the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications for more awesome builds. If you do want to support the channel, go copy some merch at shop DannyTV. The link is in the description. Also, for a sneak peek before YouTube, follow us on Instagram at danny.tv. Link is also in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.
With